Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're already signed in, so start by opening the class you want to rename. Once inside, click the Settings gear in the top right of the class page. This opens class details. You'll see the class name field near the top. Click into that field and prepare to type the new name. Make sure the name follows your school's naming conventions, since this affects roster and sharing. When you're ready, type the clear, descriptive name that students and co-teachers will recognize. After typing the new class name, take a moment to review related fields so everything stays consistent. Check section, subject, and room. These are often used for filters and syncs. Adjust them if the new name implies a different section or subject. If you have co-teachers, make sure they still have the right role and can see the updated name. Once done, scroll to the bottom or look for Save. Some views save automatically, but make sure the edit is applied before leaving. Now save the change and verify it took effect. Click Save or confirm the autosave indicator, then refresh the class page. Make sure the new name appears on the class tile and inside the stream so students see it. If the name didn't update, don't panic. Clear your browser cache, sign out and back in, or try an incognito window. If it still fails, contact your Google Workspace admin. Organization policies can prevent renaming, and they'll be able to resolve it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.